Hello children. Today we are going to start with chapter number 4, Word Processor Mail Merge. In today's video, we will learn the following topics from page number 36, 37 and 38, where we will learn what is Mail Merge feature of Word 2016 and how to create a Mail Merge document. We will also learn how to create a recipient list. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss few key terms that we will learn from this chapter. The first term is there we will learn is record, where a row in the data source is called a record, where record is the collection of information that we have entered in a tabular form. The next term that we will learn is field, where a column in the data source is known as a field, where we can also define a field is the name of the column heading. The next term is there data source, where data source consists of mailing list, where mailing list is the list of the persons to whom you are sending your letter or any other document. The next term is their main document, where main document consists of text that we wish to send to all the recipients, where main document is the area on which we are working using MS Word. The next key term is their mail merge, where mail merge is a feature used to combine a recipient list with a main document, where recipient list is the list of receivers and the main document is where we have written the letter. And the last term that we will learn is merge field, where merge field is a data item which instruct MS Word where to insert data source in the document. We will also learn the shortcut keys that we will use in this chapter. To separate the field name, we will use Enter key, and to move between the fields, we will use Tab key. We will also learn the following identification from this chapter. Here you can see the first identification is given Start Mail Merge, where we will use this button to start our mail merge on a document. And the next button is known as Create button, where we will use this button to create our recipient list. Now open your computer book at page number 36. Chapter number 4, Word Processor Mail Merge. There you will learn why do we need the mail merge feature of MS Word. If we need to send the letter with same information to multiple people, then we need the name and address of the recipient to be printed on the top. But changing the name each time is very long process and also the wastage of time. We will save our time by using Mail Merge feature of MS Word 2016. It will combine our data source and our document. Here you can see the first term is given, that is data source. We have already discussed earlier. Let's see it practically now. Here you can see I have made a table where we all know the table is in the form of rows and columns, where the vertical lines of table are column and horizontal lines of table are rows, where the column headings are named with name, address, city, PIN and telephone number, These column headings are also known as fields name. And here you can see to the horizontal line of the table, I have written few names and their information. And the complete information of particular person is known as records. And the collective information of this table is known as data source. The next term is their main document that we have already discussed earlier. Let's see it practically now. Here you can see in MS Word, the first page that appears on which we do work is known as the main document. Here we will do work and send the same letter to multiple people using data source. Here you can see I have already designed the page using borders, shapes and page color. And the next term is their merge field, where I have already discussed about the merge field. Now here you will see in the mail merge, three basic steps are there. Number one, first of all, create a main document. Number two, specify a data source. Number three, merge the data source with the main document. Now look at your book at page number 37. Here we will learn how to create a mail merge document, where the steps are: number one, click on Start button and click on Word 2016. Step number two, create a new document and type a letter. Number three, click on Mailing tab, and number four, click on Start Mail Merge option. Let's see it practically now. First of all, click on Start button. From Start submenu, click on Word 2016. After clicking on Word, you will get Word window on your screen. From there, you have to click on Blank Document and you will get the main document where you will type your letter. You can also design it as per your choice. Here you can see I have already designed my main document with page color, shapes and border around the page. Now I will type a birthday invitation. First of all, click on Insert tab. After clicking on Insert tab, under Text group, click on Word Art option. After clicking on Word Art option, you can choose any style of your choice. Now, here I will drag this Word Art box in my document and I will type the letter here in this box. First of all, I will give the heading Birthday Invitation. Then we have to write for the person to whom we are sending our letter, like dear. Then give space. Press enter key, come to the next line and again give two spaces. After giving two spaces, type the rest of the text that you wish to send to the person. Join me on my birthday party on 7th July 2020 in my little castle. And at the end you can add any line like I'll be expecting you with your name. Now here we have typed our letter. Now we can adjust or we can change the color of the text according to our choice. Now we can change its color, like select the text and click on font color. We can also make it bold. Now we need to merge this document with the data source. How can we merge it? Click on Mailing tab. From Mailing tab, under Start Mail Merge Group, click on Start Mail Merge button. After clicking on Start Mail Merge button's drop-down arrow, we have to select the last option, that is Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. After clicking on Step-by-Step Mail Merge, you will get Mail Merge side pane on your screen. Now look at your book at page number 37. Here the step number 5 is select the option Letters Radio button. Then click on Next Starting Document option. Then click on Use the current document. Then next we have to select the option Next Select Recipients. Let's see it practically now. Now here you can see in Mail Merge side pane, the radio button Letters is already selected. Now click on Start Document option. After clicking on Starting Document option, you will get the next section, Select Starting Document. From there, you have to choose the radio button, Use the current document. After clicking on Use the current document, click on Select Recipient option. Now again look at your book at page number 37. Here we will learn how to create a recipient list. First of all, open MS Word document. Then create a main document and data source. Now to create a recipient list, we have to select the option Type a new list radio button. Step number 4, click on Create option. After clicking on Create button, you will get New Address List dialog box on your screen. Here we will make a recipient list. After entering data, we have to click on New Entry button so that we can add one more record in our address list. Let's see it practically now. Here you will see under Select Recipient section, we have to select the radio button, Type a new list. After selecting Type a new list, we have to click on Create button. After clicking on Create button, you will get New Address List dialog box on your screen. Now, here we can choose any field as per our choice to add on our document. For example, I have to send the birthday invitation to my friends, so I will write their name and city. In the first name, I will write the name of the person. Like first record I have entered is Raghav. Last name is your caste, that I will write Sharma. By pressing tab key, we can move to the next fields. Here in the city, I will write address like Amritsar. Now, I have completed with one address. Now, if I want to add 2 or more records, I will click on New Entry button. After clicking on New Entry button, you will get next row on your address list. Here I will type another name, Kritika Mahajan. Using tab key, I can move to another cell. Here I have typed the city, Jalandhar. Now I will add one more record, so I will click on New Entry button. And if you want to delete any entry, just select the record and click on Delete Entry button. That record will be deleted from your address list. Here I have to add one more record, so I have clicked on New Entry button. Here I will type the name, Rahul Thakur. Here I will type the city, Amritsar. After making 3 records, click on OK button. Now look at your book at page number 37. Here you will see in the step number 7, we have to enter 3 records. After entering 3 records, click on OK button. Now look at your book at page number 38. Now look at the step number 9. After making list, we have to specify a name to the address list in the file name. After typing file name, we will click on Save button. And after saving the file, again the Merge Recipient dialog box will appear on your screen. From there, you will notice by default the tick marks are placed on the check boxes next to the data source. Here you can also see in figure 4.6 in this dialog box. Now, after seeing all the records, last step is there, click on OK button. Button, you will get Save Address List dialog box on your screen. Here you have to save your address list with the name. I have written the name in the file name is friends. After typing the name of file, we have to click on Save button. After clicking on Save button, you will get Mail Merge Recipient dialog box on your screen. Here you can see by default tick marks are placed on the check boxes next to the data source field. Now, after seeing your records, click on OK button. Till now, we have learned what is mail merge feature in Word 2016, how to create a mail merge document, how to create a recipient list. We have also learned the following key terms. We have learned the key term record, field, data source, main document. mail merge, merge field. We have also learned the shortcut keys to separate the field name, enter key, and to move between the fields, tab key. We have also learned the identifications of Start Mail Merge button and Create button. Now revise all the terms, step questions, and shortcut keys till done.